Welcome beautiful people, I am Chef B. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we'll be working with Nadula.com. So this is what is in my package. I got 3 headbands to go with my headband wig. Now this wig is in 26 inches. This is what is known as the water wave unit. So this is how it is looking straight out of the package. I'm just doing a quick shed test just to see if I'm getting any shedding, the fullness of the hair, the quality, you know, just that straight out of the package test, how bouncy the hair is. As you can see, it's super bouncy, like stiff wear, girl. It got a whole lot of body. Now this is how my wig cap is looking. Obviously with headband wigs, it is the ultimate protective styling. I ain't got to do nothing. I would have my hair in some big jumbo plaits for weeks on end if I need to. Like, no need to take my hair out, especially on a lazy day. If I just did a wash day and I don't know how to style my natural hair, I'll just put on a headband wig. So as you guys can see, just a minute ago, I used the On Jackie gel on the edges of my hair, and I'm just doing a little bit of soup to the doop. And basically, because it's a water wave hair, I just wanted to have this wavy look in the front. So I'm just going to attach the headband so that the hair can be secured and snug while I prepare to style this unit. So as you guys can see, the headband was wide, so it will be a perfect fit no matter what size your head is. And then I'm just gonna push it back and use a scarf that I already have to get the look that I'm going for. You can choose whatever scarf you want and switch up the look daily, because that's just the awesomeness of headband wigs, is just switching the headband to give it a different look every day. So this is how easy it was to style the hair, and I'm just going to use some light hair oil just to add a little bit of shine to it. Now this is super light where it won't weigh down the hair, but just give it enough sheen and also just emphasize the body of this unit. Like, look how free flowing this hair is. Now I did add a little bit of water to the hair, nothing to like dampen it or make it like a wet look. You definitely could go for that, but I still wanted the hair to have somewhat of a lot of a body, but not too much body, you know what I'm saying? Like just that in between of wet and dry. I hope I'm making sense. So what I was going for with this unit is a half up, half down look. So I'm just gonna style the hair in a quick half up, half down ponytail, and that is basically it for the look. Like, you can get a protective styling in less than a minute with these type of headband wigs, and the hair is just effortless, flawless, and it's absolutely beautiful. It is 100% density. As I said, it's in 26 inches, and the details will be in my description box for you. So just to hide the little hair tie that I use, I'm just using a little bit of the hair just to wrap at the base. I didn't even have to use a Got2b freezing spray. I just continue wrapping around until I get to the very end and it just stays in place. You can use a Got2b freezing spray if you want to just add that extra security, but honestly, it isn't needed when I was doing it. And yeah, I just push back the headband and just play around with the hair until I get the desired look that I'm going for. Now this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. I am absolutely loving this hair. You guys probably already saw this hair in my previous haul. I was wearing this exact hair and the outfit and everything. So yeah, spam the comments, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damnthatschev. The link for this unit will be in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.